Hi, I wanted to do my Crochet Society unboxing today. It just came. Maybe I'll get this up within the week of it coming. I did open the package just to see what color, but that's it. So, oops, here is this month's box. I don't know if you can really see. Can you see what color it is, or is the light? Well, it's a very pale lavender, as you have probably already figured out, one of my favorite colors. So, let us see what we have. As always, we have lovely packaging, and this month's, here we go, this month's quote is, "Home is where the yarn is." So, taking out this, taking out the goodies in here. There's always the ad for, treating yourself to the Crochet Society. I think that's for the, people sometimes get maybe just one box, and this reminds them that there's a subscription. And there's one last thing in here, which is really cute. It's a keychain, and it says Crochet Society. I like that. That's cute. And we've got our code. This on the back of this has the code for the tutorial, the video tutorial, which is always very nice. So home is where the crochet is, and this is our guide to transferring UK terms into US terms, because all the patterns are in UK terms. And then here is our book. But that's not what anybody is waiting for, so let us see what is in this little package. Well, there must be an, I know I'm going to pronounce this wrong because I think I always do, but an amigurumi. There's an amigurumi project in here because we've got the stuff to fill it. And let's just open the, yes, there is. Oh, it's very, very cute. Missy the kitten. I just think that amigurumi, sorry, is really kind of beyond my capabilities. But that is Missy, that's, of course, Bella Coca. And that is Missy, come on, back that way. There we go. Missy the kitten. This is very cute. Very outside my skills. So let us go to the what's in the box section. Oh. So that makes kind of more sense. Okay. Everything that's in the box, usually, sometimes there are little gifties that, like the keychain is not needed for any of the projects, but everything else is part of the project list. So here's what's in the box, except I'm covering up the passcode. And binding clips. So in this month's box, we have, first of all, let's look at the yarn. I know this is going to get washed out on camera because it's such a pale, pretty pale lavender color. But there's that little ball, and there's a ball of white. These are baby cotton DK. I forgot what DK weight is, but it's a cotton. So we've got another cotton project. That's kind of cool. Which would make more sense to you if I had actually gotten my other video up, which I haven't. So let's see if maybe I can get that one up too. And then this is all white. And then what we get are, let's see, where are we? we get a yarn, well, there's the yarn and hook. So the yarn is soft, crisp yarn in soft lilac and white. And then this is our, we don't have a metal and polymered hook this week. What we have is a tiny little bamboo hook, which is probably going to be very nice for working with this yarn. It is a 3.5 millimeter dip dyed yarn hook. Oh, and it does say Crochet Society. You'll not be able to read that, but it says Crochet Society on it. So there's the yarn and the hook. And then we also get scissors. You can really never have enough scissors when you crochet. So you asked in there, finally here, mini rose gold scissors exclusive to the Crochet Society. So it actually says Crochet Society, and there they are. And they, can you hear? They actually touch each other. These are nice heavy scissors. So I'm happy about that. I love the ones that look like a stork, and then a lot of times they're just really, really cheap and they don't work very well. There is our stitch marker of the month, which is a little kitty. Whoops, of course it turned around. A little kitty cat, which goes with the amigurumi. This would be also for the amigurumi, I'm sure, for like eyes to sew in. And then a card of binder clips. Little binder clips. I was a little confused about that because I thought, well, that's weird. But they actually have a very good purpose. And they are perfect for holding pieces in place while you are stitching. So they have in here, so for stitching, in other words, for stitching pieces together, usually that would be. So this is super seaming. And so it shows you how to seam pieces together. And that's helped by having the binder clips to bind them together like that. And let's see, what do we have? Oh, isn't that pretty? So we have a couple of really cute patterns this month. We have the little amigurumi kitty cat, which the designer of it is a young girl. And, oh, I'm so sorry, she's not young. Wow, her picture looks so young. Irina Lee. She's a designer, former cancer researcher, and ballet dancer. She has lived a life. She does a lot of amigurumi. But there's also a honeycomb pouch case for glasses or foam down there. And there's going to be a circle of friends for bunting, coasters, or a key ring. So let's go to bigger pictures on, let's see, where are we? Sorry. Wicked professional videographer here. Okay, just so that you can get better look. So remember, the yarn is, they said lilac, I was thinking lavender and white. And so these are things that you would stitch together. So you would make, I think, you would make, well, maybe not, maybe you crochet it right in, but on some of them you could stitch them. So they're white on lilac or lilac on white. That's kind of very pretty. And then the last one is this honeycomb pouch for your glasses or your phone. And again, I don't know if you can see that, but the background is white and the honeycomb stitching is the lilac. So it's a very nice box this month. I'm going to put everything in the box and then I can, back in the box, and then I can show you it better. So, with the yarns up near the top, I put yarns, and very nice. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get everything in there and do this quickly. That's not going to happen. So let's see if I can now hold it up for you. That is what you get in the box. So if you ever decide that you want to subscribe to this box, this is not sponsored, and I don't get this in PR. I pay for this every month. Sorry, I pay for it every 3 months. And it's not cheap because I'm getting it from the UK, which is where Sarah Jane, who is Bella Coco, is based. But if you wanted to subscribe, you would send an email to subscriptions@practicalpublishing.co.uk. And I'll hold that up. Let's see, I'm hoping you can see it. And that will do it. Obviously, as you can see, this is in pounds. So if you're in the US, you're going to pay more in dollars than that because our dollar is not as strong as the pound. So I hope you enjoyed that, friends. I really do. And as I always ask, please look for the light within yourself because it's so much easier to find the light in others. I hope you have a delightful day or week or month or however long it is until I actually get another video up. Bye.